Come on in.
5. How are you? Come on in. Go ahead, guess.
5.
Yeah, you think?
Well, what do you want to buy?
It's 26 strips to get here.
Good counting. Ooh, thanks. Which way should we look?
That way.
This way. Good.
22475.
Good counting.
Whoa. Whoa.
10 clues.
No.
A clue. We need to write this clue down in our handy-dandy.
Just then.
Who has more graham crackers, me or Pale?
Yeah, but how come I'm the one who... One paw print, one paw print, one. There's the one paw print. On the this cup is our second clue.
Yeah, you think?
27 stands in my book.
Why can't either of you?
Professor, shush! Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my! I can't see my glasses. I think I've broken the switch.
No! Go!
We're having pizza.
Like a big pizza pie.
It's the...
When you hear this in the club.
I would like to buy a new crayon with...
Would you like to purchase one crayon?
Yes, actually, I would. See you later. Bye-bye.